Hello viewers, I am Reddy. During the past 3 decades of dealing with physics, I could win over the affection of several hundreds of students. They called me as Reddy. In the current situation, the aspirants of IIT-JEE and NEET cannot move out for coaching classes. To help them out, I am providing free online classes in physics. My YouTube channel name is Physics Classes by Reddy. I wish to bring up video lectures based on the concepts that are essential to be successful in the examination. The key points regarding the preparation is, the first point is, try to solve all the previous mains questions and the NEET questions. The second point is, selective intensive study. Third one is, try to solve easy questions in all subjects in the first 2 hours, because in each subject 50 questions are easy. In January 2020 mains examination, after the analysis, it is observed that 11 questions are from first year topics and 14 questions are from second year topics. Okay. I will start with the important concepts of video lectures soon. Thank you.